How to activate Meta AI on WhatsApp application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily activate the feature of Meta AI on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Messenger application and click on any conversation on your WhatsApp. There, in the chat, you need to write @Meta AI and then send it in the chat. After you do so, if the feature of Meta AI is available in your region, it will be activated. If not, you need to wait for a few days as WhatsApp is launching slowly all its version and features in all its region. Till then, what you can do is update the WhatsApp on your device. So go to Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And if you see the option of update in place of open, do update it. And that's all. That is how easily you can activate Meta AI feature on WhatsApp application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.